Hello, this is nice math problem 3 over x is equal 9 over x and we have to find the value of x. So let's start. Solution. The given equation is 3 over x is equal 9 over x. By cross multiply we get this x times 9 is equal to 9x is equal 3 times x is equal to 3x. Now we will subtract 3x from both sides. So you can write 9x minus 3x is equal 3x minus 3x. Here 9x minus 3x is equal to 6x is equal 3x minus 3x is equal 0. Now we will divide both sides by 6. Here 6 and 6 cancel. Here x is equal to 0 over 6 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. Verify. The main equation is 3 over x is equal 9 over x. Now we will put the value of 0 in this equation. So we can write 3 over 0 is equal 9 over 0. But any number cannot be divided by 0. So there is no solution for x. So we can easily write no solution exists for x. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.